Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest innovations from Adobe that were unveiled at the Adobe MAX event in Miami. The creative community is buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. Adobe has just dropped some game-changing technology that can transform how we approach video editing. First up, let's talk about Premiere Pro and its new Generative Extend feature. Have you ever been in a situation where you just didn't have enough footage to make your vision come to life? You know, when you want to maintain that perfect flow in your video but run the risk of unnatural cuts. I know I have. But now, with Generative Extend, you can effortlessly add those extra frames right on the timeline. Imagine this. You've got a dialogue scene that flows beautifully, but it's just a second or two too short. Instead of scrambling for filler footage, Generative Extend lets you create those seamless transitions in real time. Editors can cover gaps and make edits feel natural, even with complex movements in the frame. Check out how easy it is. Just select your clip and with a click, you can extend it without losing quality. This feature is all about giving you the power to tell your story while saving you incredible amounts of time. How great is that? Less time fussing with edits means more time to unleash your creativity. And Adobe isn't stopping there. Thanks to the Firefly video model, users can now transform text prompts into video content. Yes, you heard that right. You can literally write a description and watch it turn into stunning videos or animations, all in just a few clicks. It's like having a mini production studio right at your fingertips. Think of how you could use this in your projects. Want a cinematic close-up of an elderly man on a moody street at night? Just type it out. Or how about a cute animated robot holding a glowing heart? Firefly makes it so easy to visualize your ideas. The only limit is your imagination. Now, let's address a common concern. Many people wonder if AI can really bring something new to the table, or if it's just a gimmick. The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes. With tools like Firefly Model, you're not just getting automated edits. You're getting a partner in creativity that can propose ideas and enhance your unique style. This isn't just about speeding things up. It's about enhancing your storytelling. Plus, if you have existing images or illustrations, you can animate them into beautiful 2D or 3D animations with ease. This means more possibilities for creative projects, whether it's for marketing, personal use, or professional showcases. There are no limits to what you can achieve. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Adobe has made it clear that they are committed to ethical AI usage. All the content generated through Firefly is sourced from material that Adobe has the rights to, ensuring that you can confidently create without worrying about copyright issues. I want to take a moment to emphasize how important it is to have conversations about these technologies. Your input matters as we all navigate this new creative landscape. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Adobe's tools are designed to empower all creators. Share your thoughts with me in the comments below. And speaking of empowerment, let's not forget about how Adobe Express integrates Firefly AI. This user-friendly app is perfect for those who might not consider themselves designers but still want beautiful marketing materials. Need a logo? You can whip one up in under 10 minutes. That's right, you heard me right. Less than 10 minutes. From logos to social media posts, Express lets you make impactful designs in a snap. Just pick a template, let the AI help you refine your brand colors, and let your creativity shine. It's that simple. The designs are stunning, eye-catching, and professionally crafted. The best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use these AI tools. Just tell Adobe Express what you want, and the AI works its magic. This means you can focus on your vision without getting bogged down by technical details, giving you the confidence to explore your creative ideas. Let's share some success stories. Small business owners have found a voice and visible presence because of Adobe's tools. With limited resources and competing against bigger players, these creatives are making waves with the help of Express. It empowers them to stand out and make an impact in crowded markets. By fusing these tools into their workflows, creatives are not just surviving, they're thriving. That's what Adobe aims for, to provide a community where artists can connect, collaborate, and grow. I encourage you all to take advantage of this. Dive into Adobe's wonderful resources and take your craft to new heights. You see, this is not just about fancy tech. It's about allowing you to explore creative depths without being overwhelmed. The user-friendly design of Adobe tools allows every creator, whether newbie or expert, to experiment and find their unique style. At the core of these advancements is inspiration. Creativity is meant to be shared and celebrated, and Adobe's Firefly AI tools are doing just that. We've seen creators push boundaries and redefine what is possible. If they can do this, so can you. So, let's take charge of our creative journeys. Embrace these changes and see how they can transform your work. Remember, the future of content creation is bright, and it's powered by innovative tools that cater to your creative needs. Finally, let's talk about the bigger picture. The integration of generative AI into video production marks a turning point in the industry. We're entering an era where technology and creativity go hand in hand, and it's exciting. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored Adobe Firefly and how it's revolutionizing video editing and design. If you're as excited as I am about these innovations, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content on AI technology. I can't wait to see what you create next.